get. Okay, so can we, how we can talk and more? Okay, just do one thing. Just open your YouTube channel. Aim Native Speaker. Aim Native Speaker. My YouTube channel
Okay,
is Aim Native Speaker.
Instagram. Join me on Instagram. Dia Thapa 007. Delhi, Mumbai,
Yeah,
Haryana, or
actually, oh my God, you know. Okay, so first I just want to know where you come from.
I'm from Nepal, Kathmandu. I can talk Hindi.
Oh my God, even though I have one friend, she belongs to Nepal. To job in a five-star hotel. So I
I'm also hotel.
really,
Yeah,
oh my God, that's amazing shit, man.
yeah.
I
I
never
recently
thought,
graduated
I never thought
I
I'll meet.
college, and I was looking forward to study hospitality management in abroad. Good evening. What is oh, I can call you Paro
Ah,
Parminder
yeah.
Kumar.
Actually, my name is Parvendra Kumar, but my friends call me a Paro.
Okay, Paro. So, how long have you been in this app, in this website?
Maybe approx 1 month.
Oh, 1 month.
Yeah. What about you?
Oh, it's been just 1 day.
Only 1 day?
Yeah,
Oh my God. It's amazing.
one of my
This is a
one of my
yeah.
and I'm beginner for this app, and I was preparing for my IELTS exam. That's why I am here in this
Oh,
app.
that's great. So where do you want to go?
Australia,
Oh my God. That's great. For like study purpose or just work purpose?
study purpose.
That's great. I wanna
My half of
sorry.
my half of the family Australia. That's why I am trying to go there. That's why.
Oh, that's great to know. Well, if I'll talk about me, so I have done my BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management. So I'm a working person. I do job in a five-star hotel. So I
I'm also hotel.
really,
Yeah,
oh my God, that's amazing shit, man.
yeah.
I
I
never
recently
thought,
graduated
I never thought I'll meet.
college, and I was looking forward to study hospitality management in abroad.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. So as you know that I come from India, so I have I'm a 2 year experience person. So I know each and everything. So I just want to go like Dubai or Germany, somewhere wherever I'll get a chance to go. Like one of my friend, he's doing a job in Singapore, and also
Oh,
suggest to me like if you will come here, so you will get such amount. So that is great to know.
nice. You are doing great then. Oh, how many 5 star you have gone and experience?
Well, I have only oh, one hotel experience I can say. Like I joined Hayat property. As you know that word of Hayat property, there is a chain, word of Hayat. So I work with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
In
I didn't
next,
switch any hotel, but now I'm making because of as you know that March is here. So March, like in a March, you have to there is an increment is there. So we are just waiting for increment. Then after that, I will think to switch to other hotels. Maybe if I'll get
mm,
chance to go out abroad, so get that I'll like grab that opportunity. Definitely. So
yeah, and where are you from actually? India, Delhi, Mumbai,
yeah,
Haryana, or
actually, oh my God, Okay, so first I just want to know where you come from.
I'm from Nepal, Kathmandu. I can talk Hindi.
Oh my God, even though I have one friend, she belongs to Nepal. So like we are just a bestie, bestie. Yani
Yeah.
she knows about me each and everything what I do. Like each and everything means even my parents don't know about me, and she know about me like more and more, like that.
Oh,
So
when
bestie.
me and my friend go gym at Delhi in the morning, and we almost talk in Hindi. Hindi is our favorite language.
Hmm.
Me and my friend, we almost talk in Hindi, and we know all about Hindi language and a little bit about in India. And we are planning to visit Banaras this year.
Oh my God, it's great. Banar, it's very famous in UP.
Yeah, and where are you from? UP?
Yeah, I am from UP, but nowadays I'm living in Gurugram.
Okay, I haven't heard about Gurgaon, but
Delhi, it's
yeah,
near to Delhi, I can say. Delhi. Delhi is fine.
okay.
I'm very close to Delhi.
How old are you?
What do you think?
20?
No, I've completed
Oh,
my degree as well. 4 year degree I have complete.
okay, then 24 or 25
Yeah,
maybe.
24 is fine. Do you think I'll leave this face like a 24?
No, you look too younger than your age.
Yeah, I
You look
believe. Yeah. So yeah, but there is a one like things is that we have only 7 minutes here, and to talk with. But yeah, nowadays we got a one option as well. If you want to talk more and more, like suppose that now we are talking to you, okay, this conversation is
yeah.
like it's not completed, so we will get a one pop-up as well. We have to accept that pop-up, and then we can continue like 7 minutes will be add next, like we can talk 14 minutes as well. This is upon to us, like both we have to upon. Suppose that I'll get a pop-up and then I will accept that pop-up, and then after you have to also accept that one,
Sure,
and
sure.
yeah, so that thing will be work, and then if you will deny, so this like conversation.
I will. I think we are on. Can you please do that?
How many I didn't get now pop-up. I thought
Okay.
I get, maybe I will not